teaching skills. What I'm going to be teaching you today is how to repair an ornament that has no more thread. So what you're going to need is, your ornament that has no thread, scissors, and another piece of thread. Your first step into doing this is to get your scissors and your thread. You're going to want about that much of your thread, so not too big but not too short, so have your parents help you so that you don't get cut with the scissors. The next step into doing this is you're going to want your thread, get one end, put it through the hole of your ornament, pull the other side, so you have like this. Okay, so the next step into doing this is you're going to, as you had it like this, now this part you might need an adult for. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your two sides and you are going to tie this kind of like you're tying your shoes, but not really. So what you're going to have is it like this. Okay, so you're not going to want it all the way down because then, it can't hang. So then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing on top, but again, don't make it too tight so you can't hang it up. So I will show you the finished product and what yours should look like. This is what your ornament should look like. So I went ahead and just cut, so I just cut a little bit of the thread at the top off, but I'm just going to cut a little more just to show you how. So you're just going to take your scissors and go like that. Now you might want to have an adult do that so that you don't cut your fingers. Or get a little scrape. So I'm going to tell you why this is important to know how to do. So this is important to know how to do because if you want to hang this up really bad, but you don't have any more thread on it, so now you're going to know how to do the thread on an ornament that doesn't have one. So, yeah. Thanks for watching my video. So now you know how to fix a thread on an ornament. So you can grab your broken ornament that has no thread and then fix it real quick and then go hang it back up on the tree. Thanks for watching. Bye.